Handbags, Heels and a Passport is essentially about me trying to find the most glamorous and the most luxurious holiday destinations for you. And I think this time I've really managed to find something special. What, after all, could be more glamorous or more luxurious than hiring your own private luxury yacht? This is Club La Costa Yacht Club. Whilst not many of us can afford to buy our own £1 million boat, joining the club gives you access to your own slice of the luxury action. Each boat is managed by 2 crew members who, as well as sailing, provide gourmet meals, cocktails at sunset and generally attend to every need, so you're free to do whatever you fancy. Best of all, whether you want to swim, sail, snorkel or just sunbathe, is that the sights and sounds come directly to you without having to move a muscle. Okay, so no handbag, definitely no heels, a very well thumbed passport and a week in absolute luxury.